These are soaking wet.
They weren't soaking wet.
They have to go back into the dryer.
They weren't soaking wet.
Captain's a cheap ass. I would have rather paid $20-something to have it done right because she made you not cheap out.
No, not hard.
I want my clothes shrunk. You shrink my clothes.
Every time. No, you're such a liar. You're an idiot. You think I wouldn't see that?
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
3 years ago, I took a picture of my girlfriend in Paris and my life forever changed. Fast forward to today, living in a different city every month, our lives are anything but conventional. Maybe it's crazy, maybe it's foolish, maybe it's Maybelline. All I know is our adventures have become one big movie. Come along with us as we travel the world, documenting our stories one passport stamp at a time. This is Captain Castor Vlogs. Okay, so she literally just got home right after I opened the windows. I had to close them really quick so she doesn't get mad. She's definitely gonna see this. I'm gonna try to leave it on somewhere and we'll see if we can get a reaction. Alright, listen, we'll see what she says. Dude, it didn't dry. There was people waiting behind me. I dried it one more time.
I feel like I just have to do everything myself. You're an idiot. You think I wouldn't see that? This is ridiculous though, honestly.
Honestly, most of them are like, the sheets need to be dry, but actually they've come a long way. Most of the stuff actually is dry here, is just for like insurance.
This is not dry.
I mean, the sheets are not. Actually, these are like getting there. These.
So I would have rather paid $20-something to have it done right.
I mean, honestly, they were somewhat damp last time, and a couple of my shirts shrunk.
Captain, no, they weren't.
A couple of my shirts shrunk.
I put the laundry away. They weren't.
No. You put the laundry away after I come up, and second of all, some of my shirts were shrunk.
No, none of my stuff shrunk. You're
Well,
just making an
I'm
excuse.
sorry. Like, I don't know if your stuff's not cotton, but some of my stuff did. And honestly, second of all, a lot of the stuff is dry, like in here.
You're making an excuse.
I would say the top. No. I'm sorry. It's cheap. It's literally. It was $1 per dry. So I could have done it more. The guy was literally waiting behind us.
Can I talk?
Yes.
You're making an excuse to be cheap and to save money. When it comes to a difference of 5 to 10 euros, please just pay to have it done right.
I would rather spend 3 more euros than do this, but it literally was one dryer.
Take it to a different place.
I'm not, dude. I refuse to go to the Chinese lady. This is gonna work.
Why?
We've done this before.
Why? Because you would have to spend money.
No, next time.
I actually appreciate that lady because she made you not cheap out and all of our laundry was done right.
No, first of all, she's a little trickster and you know it. She's a little trickster.
I wasn't there, and honestly, the way you are with money, I don't know who to believe.
Okay, these are getting dry actually.
Damn, dude. I knew it was gonna be like this.
I mean, what is the deal? What is the deal?
This is inconvenience.
For what? Are you gonna eat dinner right now?
Actually, I am. I'm really freaking hungry.
When we don't even have any food, so we need to go buy food.
You can go buy food, so you can't even handle doing laundry, right?
I can handle doing laundry,
I have to
right?
do everything myself.
No, you don't.
This is ridiculous.
Most of this stuff is dry, just the towels and the sheets. The towels and the sheets. You want to go out for dinner?
Where?
Like a nice restaurant? What do you feel like? You want to go on the street and get some burgers and some sandwiches?
Oh, the Mama Eat street food?
Yeah.
As long as I don't have to change.
Why would you have to change? You look great. What are you talking about? You look amazing.
Okay. You hate this outfit.
No, actually, I do love this outfit. I took a picture of this outfit in Paris.
Alright, well, I'm ready to go in our truck.
Alright, truck. Let me just get organized here.
So what shit were you talking on me?
I wasn't talking any, but I guess you'll have to wait and see till it gets published.
I'm pretty sure the guy in the thing was recording us bicker and fight.
Really?
Mm.
I mean, I don't know if he was. I think he was just holding his phone. He's like another level of like rude. I mean, not to me, but to the guy behind me. I mean, I thought he was gonna fight the guy.
Why?
Okay, so the guy goes, excuse me, can I get some change? I don't know if he didn't hear him or just ignoring him. And he goes like this, excuse me. And the guy goes, ooh, like that. And he goes like, oh, I'm sorry, I just want to know if you have some change. He goes, no. He's about to close it, and he kind of closes it hard. The guy goes,
No, not hard, not hard.
like it was like life or death, you know?
No wonder why you were being a little bitch in there.
I wasn't being a little bitch in there.
Why are you acting like a scared woman?
No, I wasn't acting like scared. Like I just wanted to get out of there, first of all, but second of all, I wanted to let the guy go behind me. Because I went to use 2 dryer machines and the guy was like, no, only 1 machine. And he's using like 3 machines.
That's a level. Captain was like so nervous. He was like talking like this when I came in. I was like, Captain, these are soaking wet.
They weren't soaking wet.
They have to go back into the dryer.
They weren't soaking wet.
Captain's a cheap ass, so he's gonna say they're not soaking wet because he didn't want to pay more money to dry them. And I was
It's
just like,
$1 for drying. It's not that expensive.
I know, but you care about that euro.
No, I don't. I honestly would rather pay a
Anyways,
couple more euros.
I'm like, Captain, these are soaking wet. We cannot take these home like this. He goes, shh.
I didn't say shit.
You were like this.
No, I was like, that's not an option.
You're like,
I was like, we can do 1 more load, but we
he's
can't do
talking like
all
this,
the
and I
clothes.
was legit. I was like, who are you scared of in here? I was like, why are you scared? I was like, we're paying money like everybody else. Dry them another time.
There's only
like,
1 dryer. I can't just hog the dryer.
Well, we wait then. Just
What?
wait.
So you just wait there with
One
wet clothes?
cycle isn't done.
No. That's not how it works. You don't have to do laundry yourself. I don't
Every
want my
time.
clothes shrunk. You shrink my clothes.
Every time. No, you're such a liar. You. Oh, no.
You shrunk 2 of my shirts.
No, I didn't.
So who did it? The Cookie Monster?
You did your own laundry last time.
No, it was shrunk before. I didn't even wear that shirt and wash it last time.
In Paris, I shrunk it.
Yes.
Well, you know what? It's worth it. It was an ugly shirt, anyways.
How dare you? How dare you? This is a beautiful shirt. That is a beautiful shirt if I've ever seen one. It's a nice Hawaiian shirt. It's my florals. I love that shirt. My dad gave it to me. I took a picture at a Cubs game in it. I love that shirt. Now it literally goes up to my belly button because of her. Okay, guys. Well, obviously she came home, saw the damage. I was hoping to catch her and get her out to dinner, like I told you. You know, moral of the story here, don't have a girlfriend. That's moral of the story. Just kidding. Have a girlfriend, but definitely book an Airbnb with a washer dryer in the Airbnb so you don't have to deal with this nonsense. Bree, do we have a washer dryer in London? I hope so. I'm tired of this nonsense. All right, guys. Well, if you like more couple fights, keep subscribing to my channel because they pretty much happen every day and try to get more and more of them. I might just hire someone here in Rome just to walk around with us. When we were arguing in the laundromat, the owner was filming us. So we'll see if it's on like...
No, not the owner, the other guy.
Oh, no, I don't think he was. He's a nice guy. Well, anyways, we'll see if that's on YouTube, so... Alright, guys, keep liking, keep subscribing. Vlogs every other day on this Europe trip. Hopefully, too many of them aren't couple fights, but if they are, enjoy. We'll see you guys later. Peace, guys. So, first time making mashed potatoes.
How was it?
What do you want me to rate it on?
Rate it like a restaurant, like 1 star to 5
All right.
star.
Texture was like a 10. Like, you couldn't have got it. It wasn't too creamy. It wasn't too hard.
Okay.
Taste was like...
Okay, first of all, these are non-dairy.
Yeah.
And
That's what I was gonna say.
Okay.
For non-dairy, it was a 10. For like overall, compared to regular, it was like a 9.5.
Wow.
I would have said you should have put a little bit more vegan cheese in it.
Yeah.
Or a little bit more garlic.
Oh, okay.
Other than that, it was like amazing. I can't believe how good the texture was. Like it reminded me of like
creamy.
It reminded me of like the store-bought mashed potatoes, but you literally ground it yourself like a champ. And you were crying the whole time because the onions were in your eyes. Maybe it was your tears, your gypsy tears. Do not tear me, gypsy. All I want is your tears.
Open up, open up. open up here,